So here we are at the Hakupu Day, the Hakupu Day. We are here enjoying, and Ingi is the first one to come and have a look at that. Yes. Are you all right there?
That's better.
You okay? So here we have our stall here. This Karolini, it's called Hakupu. Oh, what happened to my mum's name? It's called Liliani. Liliani Handcrafts. So that's what we are here. Beautiful, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Earrings.
Guys, I'll just put yours.
And these beautiful earrings. Aren't they lovely? Yes? Because do you come every time to buy these earrings?
I know, I love them.
Why? What do you like? What do you like about them?
I wear them.
Wow, I know. I see it. You wear it.
Depends on what I wear.
Yeah. But you suited though. I seen you the other day wearing the pink color.
Yeah.
Really nice. There you go. That's Ingi. This is that's called the Liliani Handcrafts. Yep. So we're getting everybody coming along here with all their stalls. And here we are having some lovely stalls along here. Ooh, look what they're selling. Yes, looks lovely. Honey cocoa and yes. Everything here looks lovely. And here we have, hey, how are you? What have you got?
I got brownies.
Wow.
2 for 5.
Yes?
I got apple cake.
Yes?
Mousse, cheesecake and mousse.
Oh, wow. All $5?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long have you been coming along to the Hakupu show day?
This is my second time.
Second time? Oh, wow. Do you have a name for your...
We have little Finale.
Oh, Pretty Little Finianas. There you go. There's a store down here at the ASB Centre. Is that right? And come on down, everyone. And see, look at all these beautiful things they have here. And the prices are really affordable. So, really do come along. Hi, what are you guys selling?
My nana's chop suey and rice and apple and cinnamon muffin.
Oh, yes, of course, over here. All right, that looks really good. Really. So, what do you call your stall? Is your stall got a name?
I'm pretty sure it's just Slicks and Dana's store.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, good luck on your selling today.
I was the chief of MPP.
And this is Courtney's stall. Wow. Coconut bread here, guys. Oh, beautiful. Coconut bread. Let's see. Oh, and we have popcorn, lollipops. Wow.
You play a game for $5.
Play a game for $5. Wow. Come on, kids. Come on down here. Look at all the prizes. Wow. Come on. Oh, do they know they can play games here? Oh, and here's another one. Lorna, haven't seen you for a while, cuz. Hey, you been well? How are you? Huh? Yeah, because I'm doing a video. My video is going out. Hey, hey guys. Woo-hoo. I can actually take a photo with the video. If you want to get together, it'd be great. And what are you doing here, Mr. Perth?
Just coming here for a visit.
Oh, it's nice you come at this time. Good to see you. Yeah, I've taken my photo. Yeah, it's nice. Nice to see you. Because I haven't seen you. What's wrong with you?
No, I've been sick and afterwards peppercorn and nobody wants to.
Oh, I miss you. I've been going to the group a couple of times.
I know Paul's been sick.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've been. I said, no.
I'm glad to see you today. Let's go see. Where's Lorna? Hello everyone. Everyone's got lots here. Hey Ansel. What do you guys got around here? Oh, wow. Lots and lots of food. That's so good. Hi, darling. Now this is now Hakupu Day. Look at all this stuff here. Oh my goodness me. How are you, Sidba? Just say I'm just doing a video for, well, for everyone to see. That's Tolamaki. Is that what just? That's beautiful. Look at all this. You guys have been really busy, eh?
Yeah.
I'll come back later and walk around. I'm just doing my videos first. You got anything to say for the day?
Just have a good day. Come down, spend all your money.
Okay. Hey, you're going to sit up here. And this is a finione. Is this finione?
Yeah. No,
This is a finione. Finione. What did you make, Auntie?
just come and go.
Oh, wow, you've been busy. And how much are you calling? I'm doing a video.
$3 for $10.
3 for $10? Eh? 3 for $20. Corned beef rolls. Only down here. You can grab some. Come on down. Plenty of. Hey, you're not working today?
Not today, Auntie.
Oh, that's good,
How are you?
Jill.
How's Uncle?
Good. My dad's recovering well. Yeah.
He's out, he's home now? Like,
Yeah, he's at the restaurant.
oh,
Yeah.
You
It's
guys
just-
sort that out?
No, not really. But we just live. Yeah, nice to see you.
What's Auntie's last selling?
3 for, oh, hey, 3 for $20. Corned beef rolls. Go in if you want, I'll take a photo.
Oh, hey, cousin.
Will you come and take this then and I'll go in the photo. Just click here, don't click anything else. Because my video is on. Just click that circle.
What's where and then you?
If you want you in there, go. We miss you. Hey, we miss her.
I miss her.
Yeah. Beautiful. And Uncle, what are you here today to buy some food?
Oh, nose around. That's why my nose is fat.
What else do you want to do here today?
Meet up everybody.
Oh, yeah, meet up with people. I think that's important.
yeah.
I think I'm here to meet up with everyone.
Everyone.
Like,
See them.
see people from our island, eh?
Yeah.
It's not only Hakupu people here, it's everyone else. Oh, Flora, you all right? Oh, okay. How are you? Oh, you're fine. Yeah, I was like that for nearly 2 months. Yeah. Okay. I just go around here and see everyone. Hi. Hello.
Auntie.
Hello, darling.
How are you?
Oh, really good. You guys got the front seat. Hey, how you doing? I know you're here. Good to see you, darling. You got any little bubba yet? Oh, what day? That's your little bubba. Oh, look at that, eh? How old is she? Oh, wow. Is it just you and Dad here?
All of them.
Oh, all of you?
All of them are here. They're around here.
Okay.
Collecting them up soon.
Okay. All right.
Hello, Lily.
How are you?
Good. Trying
That's
to be good.
Trying to be good. We're going to have a good day today. Eh? It looks like we're going to have a great day with
Awesome day.
all the floor show, eh? Yeah. Am I following you around? Stop it. Stop it. I'm just coming to make a video of everybody. Oh, you'll be famous. You'll be on my video. Because you look pretty with all those little bows on you. Come on. we have to expose you. Actually, you guys got the front seats, eh? Hello, Fatu. How are you now? Oh, what's all this? What are we selling here? That's beautiful artwork. Hi, how are you? That's pretty, eh? Those are pretty. Are they $15? That one? That one 35, that one 15. Oh, yep, that's for the little ones, guy. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Geraldine, is that yours? Is this yours? It's beautiful.
All handmade stuff.
Oh, look at all this.
This is the artwork.
Oh.
My sister-in-law does the baking.
Yes, you guys. Oh, this looks very beautiful. And who did the weaving?
I do the bags, the full.
Oh, you're amazing. Oh, well, good for you. Super good. Okay. Hi. Love the plaits. That's beautiful. Oh, lovely. Hi, Troy. Look at this. This is all this beautiful things happening here. Oh, photo booth. Oh, nice. Hi, Nancy. How are you? I haven't seen you around. Get your sister over there.
We're doing the reading.
Oh, nice. What? No wonder I don't see you. You think the whole family move over?
No. Yeah,
Oh.
I feel like I'm half
Are
here,
you,
half here.
so are you connected with the Miss Euro pageant that's going to start up?
Yeah.
Are you? Yeah, Nadine's trying to get me.
Nadine's one. No.
No?
The one here, yes.
Yes. No, Nadine's the one that I'm connecting with to go over. You look really well, by the way.
So do you.
You do, you look well. Might be the transition over to... See ya. And that's Nadine and, and her beautiful stall here. Come on down and see all these beautiful things here. It's so lovely. What's your raffle?
Oh, no, this is for me. And the New Well-Be
Oh,
table is there. There's free gift to give away.
Okay.
There's a barbecue. There's what you call the container for fishing.
okay.
So just man is signing.
Okay. Come on down. Whoever wants to buy a raffle, it's right down here.
Yes, only men.
Only for the men though.
Yeah, no need
Okay.
to buy a ticket.
No ladies, only men. beautiful. Okay, okay. All these beautiful people have their stalls here. Yeah. Look at all this, lovely. Here we go. Hi. Let's see the car. Oh, beautiful hats that are lovely. Look at all this. Only down here at Hakupu Day today. So come on down. Hi, Flavatu. Love the displays. Bags. And we've got the food around here. Oh, look at all this. Woo! Food, glorious food. I'm going to say food, glorious food. Hi, Joe. How are you, Joe?
No, you go for the big scoop butter. Hi! How many breasts do you want?
Test 1, 2, check 1, 2.
I'll come
check
around,
the mic,
mate.
check.
I hope you got change because my son is not here. Oh, thank you.
Look at all this, biscuits and coconut bread. Beautiful. I'll come around there. I'm doing my videos first, Joe. Nice to see you. Yeah. It's coconut bread, girl? Yeah. Okay. That's good though. It's good to sell them. And here we have all the, wow, look at that. That's all beautiful. Canoes. Handmade. There's canoes here. Shape of the Niue Island. Look at all this. Where are you, all the people today? Come on down and look at all this. Isn't that beautiful? I'll try and go as slow as I can. Did you make these all yourself? Did you make these all yourself?
Yes, I make it all myself.
Amazing.
That's to help keep me out of trouble.
How long would it take you to make like one of these? This one here.
I can make one in 2 days.
2 days?
I've learned since the COVID lockdown, that's when I first started.
Yes.
You know, when you're locked up at home, you got nothing to do, you get bored.
Yeah.
Well, I got bored, so this is what happened. I decided to go to my workshop and,
Yes.
and got some wood tools and stuff, and started off with something small,
Yes.
and then it began to grow on me, and then now it's become an obsession.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Wish I had some sort of talent like that, you know?
Well, you have something in you. I don't even know I have it actually.
Yeah?
I'm even surprised myself as I look at some of the things that I'm doing at the moment.
Yes.
I look, oh, why didn't I discover this when I was a bit more younger?
Younger? Hey, you're still young. You're still
my
young.
fingers are getting fatter. And, yeah, you get you're a bit over the hill.
Oh, no, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Do you have a name for your artwork or, you know, craft? Do you have a name for it? Oh, okay. Here we are. This is the name for these beautiful things. Oh, this. Look at that. Earrings. Wow. Look at earrings, hey. It's a bit different. Yes. No. Intricate is the word. Very, very much so. Beautiful. Keep
Call
the
out
good
to
work
our
up.
Holonga TSN team. If you can make your way to the front also, please. That's our
Sorry.
Holonga TSN, 3-Star Nation team. Make your way to the front. Also, our Haku youth. Please make your way to the front. We'll be starting very shortly. Whoa.
There's a cute eye. Good morning, darling. What inspired you guys to make these nice?
Pardon?
What inspired you to make these nice purses? How did you start with that?
Oh, I just like drawing, and I just started. I was inspired by New Wave art, and I love for art, love for drawing, and New Wave culture just comes out of my brain.
And purses is something that it's not like no one else around has sort of really.
It's something a little bit
It's
different.
brilliant. I love it. Yes. Look at that. Are these New Way designs?
Yes, all of these.
New Way designs, handbags, and purses. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. It's beautiful. So the handbags are 50. And these purses? Are these? Beautiful. Thank you. And you've got newer patterns as well?
Sorry?
Are these newer patterns? Oh yes, beautiful. And what do you call, what's the name of your brand?
For my brand, One Limited.
Oh, TN1 Limited. What does it mean?
New Way and One.
The new
So there were two bits of my name in there.
Yeah.
The silent one and the New Way one.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, you're welcome. Ooh, look at those pancakes. Wow, pancakes. Pancakes. Right here at the store. Yum. Hey, clavatu. Yes. Oh, and this one here, they're making kahas. These are beautiful, hey? Yes. Is this the name of your tufunga lima? Beautiful. Here they have bags and necklaces. Ah, octopus. Whoa. Woo. Donuts for $2. Eat really high. And here they are making these nice.
Take care.
Hi.
Thank you.
You make them all over there.
It's different, eh? I've never seen it. Like, yeah. How are you? Yeah. I've never seen it. It's like a print, hey? Yeah. It's a lovely print. Yeah, it's like a print. It's beautiful. Okay. How are we doing?